We're going to be balancing our register. This is something that should be done at the end of every evening if you want the dated postings for the general ledger to be on that day. So let's go from the Transaction tab to Balance Register. It says here I have 5 transactions from this register that need to be posted. So I select Continue, and then I have a coin counter. If I want to count at the front counter all the tender that's in my cash drawer, I could do that here, but I don't have to, but I can. And then I'm going to click OK. Now, this is what the computer system thinks should be in your drawer, and now you're going to put your count in the drawer. So we counted our cash, and the cash is $22.54.60. If it was different, it would post the difference to cash over and short account as an expense. I don't have to worry about my charge card. Checks, I've got $34,240.88. You'll notice as soon as I put my count in, it makes the differences here. Okay, so that tells me what actual tender that come in. It's nothing to do with accounts receivable, things that were put on account. It just says this is how much. Now in our on account, it's set for some credits that we issued in that batch on some returns that customers gave us. So we do have a negative on account credits. So if everything is good, we can also attach any notes in reference to this closing for this workstation. Now this workstation can be closed out at the counter, or it can be closed in the back room by a supervisor. So when I click the post, this says it'll post your register to history. It says how much do you want to leave in the register. I'm going to leave $200 in my register for the next day's opening business, seed money. And we're going to say OK. So the first thing will come out on the printer is a balance register report. And that will just give us a recap from this workstation. Total cash that came in, what was the receipt numbers when the cash came in, what were the invoice numbers, and you can see here we had one that was put on account because it was a return. And then a second report comes up that is a recap of everything. And my register has been posted. That is the procedure, and all that information will go over to the post transactions screen.